Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a radial gradient with multiple stops in Affinity Designer. This technique is perfect for adding depth and dimension to your designs, whether you're working on illustrations, backgrounds, or graphic elements. Let's jump right in and get started. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. Now that you have your workspace ready, head over to the left sidebar and click on the rectangle tool. From there, select the ellipse tool, which will allow you to create the perfect shape for applying your radial gradient. Click and drag on your canvas to draw the ellipse to your desired size. With your ellipse created, it's time to add the gradient. Navigate back to the left sidebar and click on the fill tool. Here's where things get interesting. Drag a line from the center of your ellipse outward. This action creates the initial radial gradient structure. If the gradient doesn't look quite right or you want to adjust its positioning, simply drag the circle handles that appear. This gives you precise control over how the gradient radiates across your shape. Next, in the upper left toolbar, click on the color picker. This opens up your color options. From here, click on Gradient to access the gradient editing panel. Now you can start adding multiple color stops to create that complex layered gradient effect. To add new stops, simply click along the gradient bar. You can add as many stops as you want, giving you complete creative freedom over how the colors blend and transition. Once you've placed your color stops, it's time to customize them. Click on each individual circle or stop along the gradient bar. After selecting a stop, navigate to the color section and change the color based on your preferences. This is where you can really experiment. Maybe you want a smooth transition from deep blue to vibrant orange, or perhaps a subtle shift between pastel tones. Each stop you adjust adds another layer of complexity to your gradient. And there you have it. You've successfully created a radial gradient with multiple color stops in Affinity Designer. This powerful technique opens up endless creative possibilities for your design projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.